morning. It's Tuesday, January 10th, and it is 5 after 7. And I don't have to leave, I really don't have to leave for work until 7:30, but I might leave a little bit early. I'm just gonna braid my hair really quick. I just had Chip out for his walk. It's like rain snow mix right now. I had no idea, but we're expecting snow today. They're calling for 15 centimeters. I want a little bit of snow to just stick. Every time we get snow, which has only been like twice so far, it all goes away with rain. So we'll see if any of it sticks. When Chip and I were out walking, the sidewalks and the road are really slippery. So I'm just gonna go to work a little early, take my time getting there. Hey guys, I've been home for about an hour and I was in the shower. I had Chip outside for a pee and I'm just getting ready to make stuffed peppers. So I have some ground beef that I'm gonna cook, and then I have a bunch of peppers. I feel like I just went to the grocery store and the fridge is empty again. Just picked up the house after supper. Everything is good to go. I'm gonna put these away tomorrow, let them dry. And I think I'm gonna end this video here because I want to edit it, and then I'm gonna work on our Disney trip, and then I will see you again tomorrow for the next vlog. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow.